Welcome to another video, guys. Hope you are doing good. So today we will be discussing about the product of OK Life Care, which is Omega Flax. Before moving further, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, what is Omega Flax? Omega Flax is a triple strength formula Omega-369 with vitamins and probiotics. Omega Flax helps in healthy heart, healthy skin, and joint care. Omega fatty acids or essential fats are extremely crucial to health for several reasons. They play an important role in the maintenance of vital organs like the brain, heart, skin, joint, and eye health, and also contribute to the normal functioning of blood vessels. Due to hectic lifestyle changes, we do not get enough omega fatty acids in our diet. It is best to take a combined omega-369 supplement rather than alone. Our Omega Flax is a triple-strength formula that helps to fulfill your everyday omega intake and provides relief from fatigue. Flaxseed oil is one of the richest dietary plant sources of omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy living. Omega Flax contains omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, which are further fortified with ingredients like vitamin D3, vitamin E, vitamin A and Boswellia serrata, that act as antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. It is specially designed for joint health, skin health, and digestive health. It also supports optimum function of the cardiovascular system, brain optimum function, balances hormones, and prevention from osteoarthritis. Omega fatty acids have good anti-carcinogenic properties. So, if you are enjoying today's video, do hit the like button. It contains vitamin A that helps to protect the eyes from dry eye syndrome and macular degeneration, which can cause blindness, and is also helpful in proper drainage of intraocular fluid from the eye, decreasing the risk of glaucoma. It contains vitamin E, which helps to improve skin smoothness, hydration, and is useful in certain skin disorders like eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, etc. It contains vitamin D that helps to decrease triglyceride levels in the blood and prevents atherosclerosis and heart disease. It helps maintain joint flexibility and mobility and reduces morning stiffness associated with many joint conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis by inhibiting the production of inflammatory mediators that cause joint pain. It improves bone density, thus preventing osteoporosis. Omega-3 fatty acids have a role in improving cognition by enhancing brain health. It contains probiotics, healthy bacteria, that lines the digestive tract and support the body's ability to absorb nutrients, and helps to fight infection-causing bad bacteria, thus improving overall gut health. It contains Boswellia serrata extract, which acts as a natural painkiller that provides relief from body aches and fatigue. So, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Do like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So, see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.